Okay. Hi, what's good? I'm Ozma Calafia. In this video, I am going to update you on my growing corn experiment. It is going okay. I put quite a few seeds or corn kernels into originally this glass vase, and with some paper towel, and I did so to try to sprout the corn kernels, and they sprouted. And so I took the sprouts, I put 2 of them back into this vase with some dirt, and they have grown okay, and they're growing now. And so this is not what I'm going to focus on in this video. What I'm going to focus on is these plants. So there's about 12 of them. I think there was about 13, but when I first put the sprouts into the pot of dirt, one of them broke and died. Sorry. So now there's like 12 of them left, but like 3 of them are kind of sickly and they're not doing well, all cramped in that pot. So if you can see, this is 2 pots, and then this is some dirt. And so in this video, I'm going to get out of the car and actually repot these corn plants. I'm gonna put some gloves on, so just give me a moment here while I do this. This is probably gonna be my last video of the day, so it should be only 20 minutes long, and I'll try to finish the repotting process in that time, and then I'll say goodbye. So, hi, I'm. Did I say hi yet? Hi, I'm Ozma Calafia. I am a human being on Yerba Buena Island, San Francisco, California, from my tush Ohlone land. This corn, by the way, is big horse spotted corn from the Osage people. Thank you very much. I also brought my aloe plant. Hello. But I'm going to be leaving it in here. And then I'm just going to be bringing the corn plants themselves out of the car while I just chit chat with you. So we're going to get the dirt first. I'm going to be taking the dirt over to where I'm going to make this video. Okay, and then let me show you the process here. Actually, well, I'm gonna put you over facing that way. Okay, so what's good? Hi. Ozma Calafia out here. What's good? So we're gonna be repotting this corn. We got said 16 minutes. That means that I've been in this video for like 3, almost 4 minutes. Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, so here's the original black pot that I originally planted all of those corn seeds into. And then here are the extra 2 pots that I got for free. These are recycled. But girl, this dirt was like almost $40. I got the bougie dirt for ya. Or not for ya, for the corn. Girl, this freaking happens. This happens every time. I gotta freaking... It's 2 pots, but it, shit. It's 2 pots, but they kind of like bind together a little bit, and it's, you kind of have to like pull it. Hi, so, okay, there we go. See, 2. Okay. So we're gonna set you up over maybe about like right here. Can you see everything? I might move you around too, so don't get too settled in there. Yeah, so they've essentially just become too crowded, and now we have to iterate. So I'm gonna tear open the bag. Hopefully this will be enough. Actually, this will probably be more than enough dirt. Maybe have some extra dirt. Did I mention this dirt was almost $40? I wanted to get the best dirt. So we just pour a little bit in there to start her off. There we go. There we go. That's a lot more dirt than I thought. Okay, $40 will go far. Damn. All right, so what we gotta do is get these corn plants out of there and get them into here, and we don't want to hurt them. So let's so what we might want to try to do is kind of do this thing, kind of pop them out a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to just like kind of grab them, because I don't really know how else to try to like separate them from their actually maybe I'm gonna try to just get the whole block out and then separate it. So yeah, this is they've grown pretty well since they were little babies. Okay, here we go. Check that out. Check that out. Look at all them roots. Yeah, girl, they did pretty good. See that? Yeah. So they're doing okay, but at the same time though, we have to iterate because they are not in their best life out here. So I'm sort of trying to gently kind of break apart the different branches here. Okay, I'm gonna try to just like wiggle in there a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right, so there we go. We've got a little block there. Now I'll just take this whole block and put it in there, and then yeah, we'll just try to kind of maybe try to break them up a little bit, but I don't want to hurt them too much or nothing. I'm gonna just kind of put them in like that. Let's put a little more dirt in there. Okay. There we go. There we go. That should be fine. Okay. Oh, Maple. Sorry. She got a little dirty. Hi. So yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, this is my last video of the day. I made some other videos today. They were kind of a mess. But at least I made them and I'm carrying on and whatnot. So, you know, could have been worse. Okay, this little fella is oh yeah, that little fella almost got buried down there. That's okay. You're fine. You're fine. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. Cool. Right on. So yeah, that's pretty good. They're not, you know, that's not, I'm not a pro gardener or nothing, but like, I'm just trying to give them a good life. Okay, so now let's put these ones in there. Okay. Hello. I'm trying to get the camera. Oh, is it even still recording? Oh yeah, we still got 10 minutes left, girl. We're fine. Okay. So what's good? Hi. Ozma Calafia. Repotting the hoppa. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Oh, it's too much dirt in there. Hold on. We gotta do an emergency dirt pour. Okay. Emergency dirt pour accomplished. Moving right along. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, hold on, check that out. Hold on. You see that? That's the little corn kernel that it seeded out of. See? And then it became this little corn plant. So pretty. Okay. So just hang tight for a moment. Oh, for a moment longer while I try to get this properly situated here. I'm gonna try to hold these up so that they don't get buried or nothing. Oh, and I'll just use that emergency dirt pour from earlier to pour in that dirt. Now, I am on top of dirt, so this dirt that I'm accidentally like pouring on the ground, it's in an appropriate place to be poured on the ground. It's not gonna like this is like, I think, an appropriate place to do this, what I'm doing. And so, oh, maybe even use some of this old dirt. Wow, yeah. Okay. Yeah, see, you want to reuse the dirt as much as you can, but I'm trying to give my girls the best out here. All right, so we ain't doing too bad. Let's use some of that extra dirt, girl. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, yeah, I appreciate dirt. Shout out the earth. Yeah, girl. I don't really know what I'm doing in this video in terms of like what I'm talking about, but the goal is just to repot these corn plants so that they can have a hopefully better life. They were kind of getting cramped in this black pot. So yeah. Hi. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this dirt into that one. Oh, I took a little bit of your straw out here. Sorry, yerba buena. Yeah, this is all organic dirt, by the way. So this really is Yerba Buena Island. She organic out here. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I was kind of worried that I was gonna like take too long or not get to this video, but it really doesn't take that long to like pot plants. So, you know, if you're out there needing something to do, plants are a good way to do stuff and also accomplish something that will potentially feed you and your family. So try it out. But for this video, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, the goal was just to do this. So just take that extra dirt, potting soil. Thank you very much. Like I said, the dirt that I spilled, it's gonna, like I say, this is like already wood chips. So this is a good place for it because it'll just reabsorb back into the earth. The same goes for all this soil. See, it's on top of other earth and dirt. Yeah. So this is a good place for it. It'll kind of just like absorb into the ground here. And then who knows? Maybe that bush right there, or maybe it's a tree or something. Maybe it'll kind of like get some of those nutrients and be like, yo, what's good? This tastes real good over in this patch of dirt. What happened here? It'll never know that Ozma Calafia was here repotting her corn. But that's just because trees can't speak English. They don't know what we're talking about. So that's cool. Yeah, anyway, that's it for today's videos. Thank you for joining me. And thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to the commenters. Thank you to anyone who interacts or engages with my channel. I appreciate it. And besides that, I don't know. I'm happy that I got them repotted. They kind of look a little messy, but they're gonna be okay. And And I don't have enough, I don't know if I have enough water to, how much time do I have? I should put in some effort to give him a little bit of water at the beginning of the process here. So I'm gonna go get my water bottle real quick, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna get my water bottle. I forget you can still hear me because I have a microphone attached to my shirt. Hello. Hello. Hello, girl. What's good? Oh, I'm trying to get my water bottle here. Okay. Hello. What's good, Earth? That's what's good. Thank you very much. Okay. I only have like about yay much of water. It ain't too much, but you want to get it around like the roots so that it can kind of, you know, jiggle into the dirt and vibe. Plants vibe too, you know. Okay, so that was all the water I had. Gotta go get some more water. Okay. Yeah, so shout out the Earth. Wouldn't be possible without the Earth. Shout out the Osage people. This corn would not exist without the Osage Nation. Well, actually without the Osage people, and then the Osage Nation is like the way that you describe like the nation. But then this corn wouldn't exist without the Osage people, because it's called Big Horse Spotted Corn. So yeah. Oh, is it not even focused on there? Let me try to focus the camera. Did that work? Can you see it? It didn't. I don't think it worked. Hold on. If this breaks the video, I'm sorry. Okay, it didn't break the video. What's good? Okay. Yeah. So I think that's focused. So yeah, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a 6th plant right there? 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. So it's 5 and 7. Right on. And some of them look like they're about to die, honestly. So, like these ones, they might not all make it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try to give them a good life, and hopefully they'd be okay. Yeah, these 3 are kind of like sickly. Oh wait, that's not even a corn. That's part of this corn. Oh my goodness. Okay, that one's just growing all over the place. So these 2 are kind of sickly, and then this one is kind of sickly. So that one might not make it, but we're giving it a shot out here, you know. All right, so I am Ozma Calafia. What's good? I am getting ready to leave Yerba Buena Island, where I am right now, and I want to go to San Francisco, but I set a goal for myself to wait until I get to 50 subscribers before I go to San Francisco, which is across the bay, over there. Behind those trees, I swear, there's, it's a city, it's called San Francisco, it's like, it's got buildings and stuff. It's behind those trees, but I am waiting until I get 50 subscribers, and then I'll live stream, if I can get the technology to work, I'll live stream my trip from Yerba Buena / Treasure Island to San Francisco. With that being said, I have spent all of my YouTube channel so far, all of my videos have been on Yerba Buena Island, and I'm realizing that I need to change. And as I'm getting ready to release and publish my book, wait, okay, 20 seconds, shit. As I'm getting ready to release my book, I'm realizing that I need to, well, I'm ready to say goodbye to Yerba Buena. So I won't leave yet. I'll still be back here next week, but I'm getting ready to go to Treasure Island and then keep on going. So yeah. Bye.